Hey there, everybody. It's Shazetta from Sarayu. Hope you guys are doing well. First, let me say, excuse the mess all over my desk. It's a photo and video editing day, and so I'm getting my workflow and space set up for that, kind of settling in for the long haul to finish up a couple of projects today. But before that, I wanted to do a long overdue video for you all. I'm saying long overdue. It's really a couple of weeks behind. You guys know that I'm a fan of the Tom BIHN Synapse 19-liter bag that I carry every day, but it's also my primary travel bag. I'll create or post a link down below of the video that I did on that, on what I take on the mission field, what I pack, etc. That you guys have liked and commented and other people have questions about. But as I said to you guys in that video, I'm planning for a couple of longer trips coming up where I'm going to be taking a little bit more of my photo gear with me, and I wanted just a little bit more space, not a lot, just a little bit more space in the bag. And so I told you I was considering going to the Synapse 25. But the bags are not cheap bags. They are expensive on some degree, but they require an investment, but they're well worth every penny. But what I did was I sent an email over to the people at Tom BIHN, let them know the kind of work that I do, told them about you all in terms of my social media following, and told them about what some of my plans are in terms of travel and things like that, and asked them if they would consider sending me a bag, if I would do the unboxing and reviews and all that sort of stuff, and kind of keep them posted, as well as share with my general audience my thoughts about the bag. And so they were kind enough to send me a Synapse 25-liter bag. And so I'm excited. I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to save it and do the unboxing with you all. Haven't opened it at all. So this will be the first time the box is being opened. So I'm super excited about that. So let's get into it and see what we see. Let's see how it's actually still taped. So let's untape it here. Got my trusty butter knife here. It's the official mail opener, butter knife. Let's flip that back over. Let's see if I can open it without bumping the camera. It might be a bit of a challenge. There we go. I'll turn it that way. It might help. Yeah, we'll turn it that way. But there it is. We've got my little receipt there. Good old trusty Tom BIHN sticker, which I think this one is in a different color than the one I have now, so that's probably going to go on the outside of my MacBook. And then here it is, the 25-liter. Can already tell you that it's significantly larger than the 19-liter, although it's not. That's all that's in the box, so I'm going to go ahead and take the box off the table. Forgive all the noise, as I said. I can already tell that it is significantly larger than my 19-liter bag. For some comparison, I was hoping actually to get, they have one that has wasabi green on the inside of it, but they didn't have it in stock, and I wanted the bag now because I've got some trips coming up. But I'm super excited about what I'm seeing so far. I'm going to bring my current Tom BIHN up. It's got a few things in it, but bring it up for some size comparison and see if we can get it. So this is the 25-liter that I have here. It's the brand new one. And this is the 19-liter. So you can see the significant size difference. Of course, I'm not going to pack this one out yet. The significant size difference just in the overall structure of the bag. So this, where my hand is here, is where the Synapse 25 is, and this is where the Synapse 19 ends here. And so we've got it out. I'm looking forward to doing the review space, or review video on what I think. I'm going to try to pack this one out and see what I get. This bottom pocket is so much more huge than the other one. The YKK zippers here around this one are a little more heavy duty than the one on the 19. At least it appears to be that way. Everything's just larger. Zipper pulls. Yeah, there's a lot more space in this bag, guys. So I'm excited. I'll be doing a review for you all soon. So beautiful. Smells brand new. So super excited about it. But yeah, thank you very much to Tom BIHN. I will definitely keep you guys posted, and this will be traveling with me very soon across the water. And so, yeah, I'm excited about that. Thank you to the people over at Tom BIHN for that. They are not sponsoring this video, but they were kind enough to send this back to me. And so I wanted to say thank you, send out a shout out. If you guys are looking for travel bags or just everyday bags, check out Tom BIHN. I'll provide a link down below for you to utilize so that you can quickly access their website. And yeah, we'll go from there. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.